Narating din. Kakad lang. Hindi pinagpawisan pero nilamig.
Yes, check out until 10 a.m. Just only last morning drop in the Roxaki. If you Roxaki 2,000 yen, don't be lost. Okay. Bathroom and shower only this floor, only here. Japanese style bathroom for men only. Cross line. Big tub.
Okay.
Shower with every time you can use 1, 2, 3 minutes. This temperature, please take a shower. After shower, turn off the light, open the door. Shampoo, body soap, and the hair dryer here.
Shower room. February 12, check out 12
Yes.
noon. 12 noon.
Not 10 p.m.? Not 10 a.m.?
Yes.
10 a.m. or 12 noon?
12, on 12, 10, until 10 a.m.
Ah.
Yes.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Hanggang 12 daw.
Hindi, 10.
10.
Feb 12 lang. Feb 12 pala yung sabi niya ngayon.
Uy, double deck. Wala ko may tao. Yung nakahiga. Kasi naman sige tayo dito. Ha? Ayun yung loob niya. Pagpasok mo doon. Ano siya? Yung CR niya nasa labas. Meron kaming bintana pero bukas ko titignan yan. Baka mga gamit. Paparit ako.
Lalagyan.
May TV oh. Ano palabas? Okay.
Ano yung sa mali offline?
May doon sila.
1,000 yung makuha natin.
Hindi kaya tayo doon sa likod.
Ano yung quiet?